Hey, what is up everyone? I hope you're having a nice weekend. In this video I was actually going to show you guys the installation process for the solar panels that I got for the van. Unfortunately, one of the corners of the panels got damaged during the shipping process, so I'm gonna have to return it and get a replacement. But in the meantime, I'll show you guys the brand that I went with and the reasons behind it. So I went with the brand RichBuilt. It's one of the top brands in this community. No affiliation to my name or anything like that, just a coincidence. But I went with this panel for a variety of reasons. The main one was weight. This thing's pretty light. It's around 15 pounds. Obviously the dimensions for my roof rack, which will hold and mount these panels. So I wanted to get something that was pretty proportional to the roof rack and had the proper dimensions for the vertical side rails on the Flatline Van Company's rack, so that it would sit low and kind of be hidden. So the dimensions was a big factor. I wanted it to be very stealth, so I got the black frame and will sit nicely and kind of hidden. The other reason I purchased this particular brand was for its low light efficiency and its ability to handle wind and snow load. So you can see it's pretty well made. The frame is aluminum and anodized. I'll flip it to the back here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but the silicone on the back there is really nicely done, and the frame is really clean. This thing's probably done and built with a robot, given how clean it is. So yeah. But unfortunately, one of the panels came damaged, and it's not that bad, but you know, you work so hard and you use your hard-earned money to buy this stuff, so you want to make sure that you get what you pay for. So here's that damage I was referring to. You know, it's not terribly bad. Actually, when I zoom in on it like this, it's actually pretty bad. Yeah, so like I said, you know, you work hard, spend your hard-earned money, you want to make sure you get what you pay for, and this thing's going up on the roof for the life of the van, hopefully. So I'm gonna get a replacement. I think this brand, you know, they're gonna honor and replace these guys, and I've seen these panels before and they perform really well, so I have no doubt that they have the ability to perform. But it's just unfortunate that these things happen during shipping. And the packaging, I mean, they have a little bit of foam in there, but not that much, so I'm sure this happens quite often. But no install video this time, guys. Probably next weekend. Given the downtime, I'll probably end up just cleaning up a couple things in the van this weekend and giving you guys the update on the next video. Thanks again, guys, for watching. No major install video this weekend, but catch you guys next weekend for the solar panel install. So hopefully that goes as planned. Shout out to my little brother Nicholas. Happy birthday. I'll highlight his comment if he leaves a comment below, so you guys can wish him happy birthday. But take care, guys. Be safe.